Welcome back to Spirit Work and Potions. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite cocktails, which is the old-fashioned cocktail. And it's usually something that I will order whenever I go to a restaurant. It's usually, I treat it kind of how I would like when I go to an ice cream parlor or an ice cream shop. I always get a vanilla ice cream to see if they can master something really simple, like a vanilla ice cream, because just because it is simple doesn't necessarily mean it is basic and boring. That's how I know that they know what they're doing. Traditionally, it is made with a sugar cube, and that is usually crushed and dissolved with a little bit of bitters or soda water in the glass, and so it is meant to be sipped over time, and the sweetness is supposed to evolve. And some people really like the grainy quality of the sugar cube. I do not, so we're not going to do that. I'm going to use a simple syrup, and you can use just like a regular simple syrup, but I'm going to use one that I call the Aries Moon Syrup, and it's going to have some Aleppo pepper in there, some red pepper flakes, and Arbol chile, as well as some coriander. So it's going to mimic some of like the spicy notes that you get from a traditional and old-fashioned, but it's also going to have a little bit of heat in there, not like crazy heat, but it's going to have something like a little different. So let's do that. A lot of bartenders and a lot of recipes will have you build directly into a mixing glass and then pour that into your finished glass. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to build it in the glass and I'm going to drink out of, because it works just as well. Again, traditionally, it's made with Angostura Bitters, which I don't have. You could also use like an orange bitters, which I also don't have. I also really like using Creole Bitters by The Bitter Truth, which I also don't have. So we're going to use this. We're going to use Jerry Thomas Bitters by The Bitter Truth, which is a nice substitute. I use it a lot, and we're going to use it here. So first we're going to add the bitters, 2 to 3 dashes there, into the glass. We're going to do 2.5 ounces of bourbon. I usually like a rye because it's a little more peppery and spicier and not quite as sweet, but this is fine. Perfect. And then 1/2 ounce of my syrup. And I give that just a little stir, quick stir, not very long. All right, so I'm gonna garnish with orange and lemon peel, which is not as traditional either, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to express the orange peel directly into the glass, get some of those essential oils in there, and then do the same thing with the lemon. There we go. There is my old-fashioned. So if you're enjoying these videos, please give a like and subscribe. That really does help me out. And then I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Okay, bye.